Okay, guys, can I have a louder round of applause for that guy? It is a true story, okay? So Jay Lok, has been paralyzed from with his legs or whatever. ও যদি এটা করতে পারে 6 মাসে যদি 100 পাউন্ড like what 40-50 kg right weight কমাতে পারে it's a true story, absolutely true story, okay? So আমাদের কি O levels এ ভালো রেজাল্ট করা অসম্ভব? It is nothing. You guys can do it. It is possible. You have to believe in yourself. Trust me. It is possible, okay? And এটাকে আরেকটু possible করার জন্য I'm going to do the incantation with all of you, okay? The incantation, guys, pay attention. The incantation is a positive self-talk that we need to do within ourselves, okay? So I have a big meeting, অনেক বড় বড় লোকদের সাথে meeting, and I don't feel confident. I feel like I'm such a young trainer, they would reject me. I feel like I am not good enough in comparison to the other big trainers in the market because I am the youngest, right? So I go to my shower, while I'm in my shower or while I'm dressing up, I do the incantation, which is the positive self-talk, okay? So I keep on telling myself that I am the #1 trainer of Bangladesh. I am the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. I am the game changer. I lead, others copy. I lead, others follow. So that is my own incantation. So as I keep on saying that, I feel like যে confidence-টা আমার পায়ের থেকে আস্তে আস্তে উপরের দিকে আসতেছে. Honestly, I'm not kidding. You keep on doing it for 3 months, you keep on doing it for 6 months, it will happen to you. The confidence level starts coming in, and then I feel like I am confident. And then I go there, bang, I do a great meeting, I get the work done. Because that feeling of being #1, the best there is, was, and ever will be, shows through my body language, shows through the way I speak, the way I walk, the way I do everything, okay? So you need to create your own incantation. আমার ট্রেনার যখন আমাকে I went to Thailand for 1 month to study this, right? আমার ট্রেনার যখন আমাকে এটা শেখাইলো, I was like, holy shit! Because I discovered that I have been doing this ever since our A levels or university days. But I did not know that. I used to tell myself that I will be very successful in life. I will be popular. I will be a celebrity. I will be #1. I would do something that others would copy and follow. I would do something that others would laugh at me, would do tinkering with me, but mone they would want to become me. আমি ছোটবেলা থেকে আমি এটা বলতাম, এটা আমি জানতাম না যে I was actually training my brain to believe that. Allah's qasam, everything I'm telling you is true. And then when my trainer taught me, I was like, damn, that is why I have become what I have become. Because I automatically believe that I am #1. So everything I do, every discussion I have, the kind of friends I have like Tausif, all pushes me towards that fulfillment of that dream. Do you get it? I mean, কি বলতেছি? So guys, we would do an incantation. আমরা সবাই একসঙ্গে. And then when you go home, you do your own, create your own incantation. Keep on saying that. No one needs to know. You just do it within yourselves. Do it before your exams. Do it before a big mock. Do it before a big some interview for somewhere, and see the results. Call me and tell me, bhai, kaজ করে না. Or call me and tell me, bhaiya, thank you. You changed my life. Okay? So everybody stand up. Okay, so we are also live in Facebook, yeah? So you can stand on the top and capture the whole audience. So guys, আমরা একটা ডেমো ইনক্যান্টেশন করব। তোমাদের যাদের এটা ভালো লাগবে খুব ভালো, যাদের ভালো লাগবে না We don't care. But যদি ভালো লাগে, I request you to go home and create your own incantation. ঠিক আছে? So we would be saying this. আমি আগে একটু ডেমোটা দেখাই. So how you do it, okay? We would be saying like this. All that I need is within me now. Let me repeat. All that I need is within me now. I am confident. I can do it. Yes. That's it. Okay? Very simple. And my trainer also taught me this in the same way. He told me all that you need to become successful in life, dawn, is already within you. It's just আমরা নিজেদেরকে ছোট করে দেখি, নেগেটিভ চিন্তা ভাবনা করি, বলে আমরা নিজেরা প্রোগ্রেস করতে পারি না, নিজেকে ছাগল করে করি। And then we don't even try because we think we are not good enough, right? So all that I need is within me now. I am confident. I can do it. Yes. Okay? So we would do that 5 times. I know হাস্যকর মনে হচ্ছে because very less people get it. That's why Sakib al-Hasan একটাই, Bill Gates একটাই, Zuckerberg একটাই, Wasser Nathan একটাই, Sar Abed একটাই, Mr. Vizur একটাই. Very less people get the secret of success. Okay? So guys, forget what the world thinks. They only want us to become an average like them. They don't want us to become successful. Because of the they want us to become losers like them. Get it? Trust me, I'm telling you the truth. None of your friends, your cousins want you to succeed. Nobody wants you to succeed. Because to be successful, you're a loser. Okay? Only your trainers, your teachers want you to succeed. Okay, so let's do it. We will do that 5 times, and then again 5 more times. Forget what the world thinks. Close your eyes, take your space, darker hoya, arms straighten out, and do it, okay? 3, 2, guys, 3, 2, 1, let's go. All I need is within me now. I can do it. I am confident. Yes. 5 times, Actually, please, actually. All I need is within me now. I can do it. I am confident. Yes. Okay, properly. You're not doing it properly. We have to do it action together, all of us. Action, okay? Action. Alright? Now I'll keep on repeating. We'll do it 5 times action, okay? 3, 2, 1. All I need is within me now. I can do it. I can do it. Yes! All I need is within me now. I am confident. I can do it. Yes! All I need is within me now. I am confident. I can do it. Yes! All I need is within me now. I can do it. Yes! all that you need to become successful is truly actually inside of you. It is inside of you. Nice, okay. What else do you want me to talk to them about? Okay, so আমি যেটা বলছিলাম যে it is absolutely very important for all of you to start thinking from now. It is okay not to get the right answer এখনই. It is okay to remain confused এখনই because O levels, A levels, university is a long way to go. But set the direction and start thinking that what are the things that you love. So do you like talking to people or not? Do you like analytical thinking alone or you want group activities? What do you want? So that you can start thinking of subject choices and career choices accordingly. If you discover you are an extrovert, then you should get into an extroverted job like mine or Tosif's or customer care or field sales, for example. If you are an introverted person, একগাদা লোকের সাথে কথা বলতে ভালো লাগে না, খুব ক্লোজ সার্কেলে চলে, you should get an introverted job like like finance or something that you need to do with limited people, not people facing or people oriented job. Does it make sense? Because extroverted people gain energy from other people. So now I'm with you, I'm actually gaining energy from all of your bodies. Introverted people ulta. Introverted people lose energy and keep on losing energy when they are with other people. So introverted people need some alone time every day. 2-3 ঘন্টা ওরা প্রতিদিন একা একা বসে থাকে, টিভি দেখে, গান শুনে, কিছু একটা করে, বিকজ ওরা একা থাকলে ওদের ব্যাটারি রিচার্জ হয়। আমি আর তৌসিফ একা থাকলে আমরা ডিপ্রেশনে ভুগি, আমাদের অলওয়েজ লোকজনের সাথে সারাউন্ডেড থাকতে হবে। So if you are an introverted person and then you take subjects and then you study something and then get into an extroverted job, how do you feel? You feel like shit. Because the more you talk to people, the more energy you lose from your body. Isn't it? So এই simple জিনিসগুলা নিয়ে চিন্তা করার আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি. I am welcoming you to start thinking of all these things, that what I really am. What is it that I am really good at? And কি ধরনের options আছে marketing. Just আমি চাই, take this, write it down, stick it up on your border table and keep on looking at it so that the answer, as you keep on thinking about it, the answer would automatically come to you. Okay? It is very important to do something that you truly love. Trust me, you guys are young, right? But when you would hit the professional life, you would see যে আমাদের ওভারঅল জীবনের মধ্যে আমাদের চাকরি বাকরি বা ক্যারিয়ার এত বেশি সময় নিয়ে নেয় that it is absolutely critical to love your job. না হলে আমাদের ওভারঅল জীবনে ডিপ্রেশন চলে আসে. Are you getting me? বেশি এটা বোঝাও লাগবে না, but I'm just telling you that it is very important to do something that you are passionate about, that you are good at. For example, you are good in creative stuff. That doesn't mean তোমায় গিয়ে গায়ক হইতে হবে, হইতে পারলে ভালো, বাট গান গাওয়ার ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ডটা কি? ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড হচ্ছে ক্রিয়েটিভিটি। তার মানে you must get into a job which requires creativity. Even it can be a bank job, but bank জবে তোমার তো গিয়ে টাকা গুনতে হবে না। Bank জবেও there is a marketing department. You get it? That's what I'm saying. So I mean, এই মিসম্যাচটা যেন কোনোভাবে কারো না হয়. You must do something that you are passionate about. So many people have come to many of my sessions and আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে, "Don bhai, what is passion?" কিভাবে আমি বুঝবো যে আমি আসলে কি নিয়ে প্যাশনেট? আমি তো আসলে বুঝতে পারছি না, আমি ঠিক ক্লিয়ার না, শিওর না। সো ওদের সবার জন্য আমার হচ্ছে এই মেসেজ, হোয়াট ইজ প্যাশন? লেট মি আস্ক ইউ ওয়ান কোয়েশ্চেন, হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট ওয়ান থিং that you would do even when you are not getting paid? Think about it. কি হচ্ছে এমন একটা জিনিস যেটা তুমি করবা, যেখানে তোমাকে টাকা দেওয়া হবে না, পয়সা দেওয়া হবে না, কিচ্ছু না, তুমি তারপর করবা।
what is that one thing? That one thing is your area of passion. Let me give you an example. Think about me. I am from the corporate world because I'm a professional corporate trainer. But you would see me doing a lot of free sessions, charity sessions or youth sessions or university sessions where the organizers don't make money and I also don't charge anything. I do it for free. Why do I do it? Because I love it. Because it's like drugs for me. I love it so much that the opportunity to go and talk in front of other actual So for me, this is my passion area. Now come to the question. Some people would say, I like music. It is my passion. Probably not. Probably that is your hobby. But if you have written 4 songs, এবং 2টা গান কম্পোজ করছো, ওটা নিয়ে যদি আমার কাছে এসে বলো ভাইয়া এই অবস্থা, is this passion? I would say yes, that is your passion. Because তুমি ওটাকে নিয়ে বসে ছিল না, তুমি ওটাকে নিয়ে কিছু করছো, ওটাকে নিয়ে you have amplified it, made it bigger. So that's the difference between passion and hobby. And I would request all of you to find out your area of passion. If you find out your area of passion, তখন আর work থাকে না, একটা stress থাকে না. It is something that you do naturally. So I welcome all of you to really think and find out your area of passion and do extraordinary things in life. Take care.
So fantastic. আমি আসলে আজকের সেশনটা শেষ করতে চাই with a signature game of mine. It's called the 4-chair game. Is that okay? 5 minutes. It's called the 4-chair game. So the 4-chair game, it's kind of okay. Watch it. Ki hoy, watch it, and then you'll understand it's a key game. But আমি আগেই বলে দেই, this game would make sense to everything that I've been saying from when I started. যে impossible is nothing. তুমিও চাইলে দেশের প্রেসিডেন্ট হতে পারো যদি তুমি আসলেই এটা পিছনে লেগে থাকো এবং বিশ্বাস করো যে আমাকে দিয়ে হবে। এবং তুমি যত বেশি সাকসেসফুল হবা তত বেশি তোমার আত্মীয় স্বজন, তোমার বন্ধু বান্ধব, তোমার আশেপাশের সব লোক তোমাকে নিয়ে হাসবে, মজা নিবে, টিটকারি করবে, বলবে এসব করে লাভ কি। Because they want you to become an average, a mediocre, just like them. Just like them. They want you to do the same stupid job that they do. তুমি ফেমাস হবা বা তোসিফ এরকম আর্ট করবে বা 300 লোক ওর প্রোগ্রামে আসবে, এটা কার ভালো লাগে? আমার কথা কি বুঝতে পারছো? এটা কার ভালো লাগে? এটা কারো ভালো লাগে না। So guys, are you ready? Are you ready for my ending game? The 4-chair game. Okay? So for this game, what I need is 4 chairs to be put up in here. So তোমাদের 4 জনকে দাঁড় করালে সমস্যা, আমাকে 4টা চেয়ার দিয়ে দাও। 4 chairs. Okay, আরেকটা। হ্যাঁ, ওই সাইডে করবো? Okay. Okay, good. So I need 4 volunteers for that. Ke interested to become a volunteer for this activity? Ke interested? যারা ইন্টারেস্টেড একটু সামনে আসো তো, দেখতে চাই। হ্যাঁ, যারা আমি একটু দেখতে চাই। বসুন আছে আগে, তোমাকে এখানে আসো। তোমাকে এখানে আসো। Okay, enough. Okay, stop it. Okay, great. So these guys are interested to become Kibai. Okay, stop it. Okay, so okay guys, listen. So for this game, I need 4 people, right? Not more than that. So among because of the type of game this is, একটু পরে যেটা তোমরা দেখবা, I want to do the boys and the girls separately. Is that okay? Because of many reasons. So which you will see. ঠিক আছে? So let's try to do the boys first. Is that okay? Alright. So মেয়েরা একটু পিছনে যাও, but don't go away. থাকো, একটু পিছাও just. ছেলেরা একটু আমি একটু দেখি ছেলেদের মধ্যে. Okay, can you guys do this? Can you do like this? Yeah. And then can you shake your hip like this? আমি একটু দেখি এই তসিফ ভালো কই তসিফ ভালো আই ফানি তো করো Hey, keep on doing that. তুমি আসো তুমি আসো তুমি আসো Okay, so the rest of you, can you guys go back or you want to stay here? Okay, then you peace out. কারণ আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন না? কেউ দেখতে পাচ্ছে? Go back. I want every one of you guys to see it. Okay, guys. So come here.
Everyone sit.
Pocket থেকে যা আছে, money bag, mobile, any kind of bags, whatever, get it out. Give it to somebody. Okay, great. Asho. Come here. Sit here. আরো কোনে আসো না চেয়ারটাই না তুমি কোনে আসো ভেরি গুড কাম হিয়ার So, what happened was, when I came to the session, Shokti Kotha hocche, it is not a random selection. Guys, it is not a random selection. ওরা আমি আসার পর আমাকে বলছে, ডন ভাই, আপনার সেশন সম্পর্কে আমরা শুনছি. We know that you are very, very boring. So আমরা চাই লাঞ্চের পর আপনার 1 ঘন্টা সেশনে আমরা না ডেকে সবাই ঘুমাবো সো ওদেরকে আমরা একটা ঘুমানোর ব্যবস্থা করে দিব because they wanted to sleep বলছো না remember so like that Okay, so ওদের ঘুমটাকে আমরা আরেকটু কমফোর্টেবল করার জন্য what we will do, we will start removing the chair. So, Basis, which ambulance ready to? So, ambulance ready আছে. ঘটনা ঘটলে we will be taking them to the nearest শিশু হাসপাতাল. Okay? So, guys, are you ready? তোমাদের চারজনের মধ্যে Hey, where's my live guy? Facebook live to Okay, so তোমাদের চারজনের মধ্যে who is the most confident? Okay, guys, so you would support these guys with জোরে হাততালি, okay? So I will be removing chair number 1. Just relax. একদম chill, হ্যাঁ? Just chill. Please don't move your ভাড়া দিবে না। It's all in the mind. If you think you can do it, okay, so চারজন ছেলে কাছে আসো, হাতটা ধরো, আমি হাতটা টান দিও না। So we will do it next time because here's our time constraints. Guys, okay, guys. Round of applause for the 4 guys who played. And no applause for the one who slipped. Okay? And round of applause for all of you for participating, for playing temptation. I would just like to conclude. I'd just like to conclude by saying that what Joseph is doing right here, right now, is fantastic, and thank you, Joseph. Because students জন্য এরকম একটা আলাদা ইনিশিয়েটিভ নেওয়ার কোনো দরকার নেই, but only said because he wants all of you to succeed, and I also want all of you to succeed. So just remember that it's all in the mind. If you believe you will do great results in your O-levels, you will do it. Keep on believing. Bhaiya, hey, hello. Hey, hey. Why so serious? আপনাকে বলছি হ্যাঁ এই এখানে পলাইতেছেন নাকি? Okay, so কি বলতেছিলাম? So yeah, it's all in the mind. If you believe you will be successful, if you believe you do great results in your levels, if you put up that hours and hours and hours of practice, if you don't listen to all the stupid things, all the stupid people around you keep on telling you, don't listen to it. Focus, you will win. Always focus on your strengths, the core competency, not on your weaknesses. Because remember, you are strong at your strong point, and you are weak at your weak point. It is as simple as that. Remember the video of the guy that anything is possible and you guys can also do it. Remember the 4-chair game? যেটাকে দেখে মনে হয় যদি আমি বলতাম যে 4 জন বসবে হেলান দিবে প্রপারলি শরীর ছেড়ে দিবে but there will be nothing underneath. তো আমরা বলতাম impossible, but এটাকেই কিন্তু আমরা পসিবল করে দেখাইছি. So which means many things that you think about your life যেটা মনে হয় possible না, it is actually possible if you have the right strategy. Okay? And no matter what you do, guys, always please keep me in your prayers. Thank you very, very much. The best way to keep in touch with me, I request all of you to the mobile internet থাকে এখন to go to facebook.com/donsamdani.bd.
I'll share it in the group.
donsamdani.bd. Please, this is the page. Like the page. I keep on sharing very inspiring quotes, videos, বিভিন্ন জিনিসপত্র. So if you feel down, you can go to the page and have a look. I promise you, you will feel good. So please like the page and keep in touch with me. Yeah, so thank you, Facebook Live. Bye bye.